guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So Crystal lost a bet, so she had to do a recipe with chocolate chips. So this is going to be called chocolate chip party cake.
Okay, we have a classic Duncan Hines yellow cake mix, but really you can use any kind of cake mix you want. So we're going to mix up the Duncan Hines classic yellow according to the package directions and be right back. Okay, so we have the cake mix mixed up according to the package directions.
Looks good.
And now here comes the fun stuff.
What do we do next?
Okay, you see all that, honey?
Yeah.
There's not a lot left, so we're going to use the rest of it.
All right.
And we'll be right back after we do that.
Wow, this honey smells really good. You know, I read on Facebook the other day that honey never expires.
Oh, I've known that for years.
Little educational facts for our viewers. So what's next?
All those yummy, yummy nuts.
So I'm gonna put those into the batter?
Yes.
All right, sounds like a plan.
And those were pecans.
These are pecans.
Yep.
So I'm putting all of these in here?
Oh, yeah.
We like a whole lot of pecans.
Yes. All right, and we'll be right back.
Alright, our final ingredient today is chocolate chips. We have milk chocolate today, but you can use whatever you want. Semi-sweet, dark chocolate, whatever kind of chocolate you're into, go for it. Alright, here we go.
Alright, so I'm gonna add these into our batter.
And we're going to use the whole bag. Oh, and some spilled on the table. Look.
There's no such thing as too much chocolate.
That's
Nope.
true.
That looks yummy.
Yes, it does. Alright, and we'll be right back after we mix them. Okay, so we got the batter all ready. And
Yes, we do.
That
Looks
looks
delicious.
so good.
I
Can't wait
know.
to try it.
Oh my gosh, this looks good. And Renee's taking it home. Okay, so we're going to put it in the oven on 375, I believe we did.
Okay.
Can we put it in the pan first?
Yes.
That'll be good.
Yeah,
Got a
that,
nice bun pan today.
yep, there's bun pans from Renee's house because, like, she's taking it home.
This smells really good.
Too bad I can't smell with my mask on. We're still wearing our masks, trying to be safe.
Yeah. Alright, we are all set. Just get the little bit extras around the corners. And we will get this thing in the oven on 375. Ta-da!
How long should we put it in for?
I would say about, I would say about 30 minutes.
Alright. We'll
Alright,
put
it
it
is done. We've cut a piece out for Daryl, and he's going to give it a try.
Alright, we're gonna give this cake a try, and I'll tell you what I think. It's very good. I might eat the rest of it. You guys have a nice day.
Alright,
Bye.
bye.